Such a great experience I had. If you just add the experience we had today in this room, and coming from the different segment altogether, from steel to someone from technology company, someone coming from customer centric kind of organization. Oh wow, it was a really great experience for me. And bringing those people together and kind of putting efforts in accelerating their learning curve. That's what I think the Blue Circle is doing. The fact that so many people came here and they were so happy after the session tells me that when they came out of this 1.5 hour session, they are definitely little educated, and when they go back, for sure, if they're going to apply into their factories. Extremely happy to really part of this session.